Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use voice command on your GoPro. Now let's get straight into it. First, power on obviously your GoPro camera. Then when you are done that, just swipe down to open up the menu and you will see this icon where is the head of the man. So human head and X icon is there on the left. Click on it and you will see voice control is on. And now this is how we can use this voice command. If you don't know the commands, where you can find it. So again, swipe down, swipe left, and then go to the preferences right here. Click on it and scroll down a little bit. You will see voice control. Click on it and then you will see at the bottom commands. Click on here and you will see here commands which you can use to voice control your camera. So we can say GoPro start recording, then we have GoPro highlight, GoPro take a photo. As you can see, processing super photo, and now we have photo right in here. So it works. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.